Thank you, Madam Chair. Is this thing on? Can you hear me okay? Yeah. All right. Thank you, Madam Chair. Good afternoon, members of the committee. SB 1196 is a narrow, targeted sitting bill focused on protecting Florida's most critical water management infrastructure. As filed, the bill contains 2 express exemptions to which the prohibitions would not apply: 1, canals, and 2, existing any ash-producing incinerator or WTE facility, or any future modification of such existing incinerator and WTE facility. The bill prohibits permitting new ash-producing incinerators or waste-to-energy facilities when they are proposed within 2 miles of a large federally authorized water impoundment area. These impoundments are not vacant land. They are essentially systems used to store, move, and protect fresh water for Everglades restoration, flood mitigation, groundwater recharge, and public water supply. Placing a high-emission facility near these systems creates an unnecessary risk to water quality. Airborne pollutants can travel from stacks into surface waters and wetlands through rainfall and deposition. The bill is carefully limited in scope. It applies only to new facilities. It does not affect existing incinerators or waste-to-energy plants, and it does not apply to canals. I want to note that this bill has been the subject of an extensive stakeholder discussion. We've met with everyone who is probably going to waive in opposition to this bill today, and since filing it, we've met with local governments, industry representatives, and other interested stakeholders to listen to their concerns and to understand how this policy could impact them. The outreach has included conversations with Miami-Dade County representatives, Jess McCarthy, as well as Covanta and other industry stakeholders. Those discussions have been productive, and I remain committed to working collaboratively on amendment language where appropriate to address concerns while preserving the core purpose of the bill. I also want to emphasize that waste management technology continues to evolve. There are new and emerging waste facility technologies that can better address environmental and public health concerns, and this bill does not foreclose innovation in that space. The bill is about protecting clean water, protecting the Everglades, and protecting taxpayers. I respectfully ask for your consideration. And Madam Chair, I also have an amendment to this bill.
Thank you. We're going to go ahead and take up amendment barcode 370166. Senator Sharief, you are recognized to explain the amendment.
Thank you, Madam Chair. The amendment adds a 3rd express exemption and limitation to which the prohibitions would not apply. Any ash-producing incinerator or waste-to-energy facility in a county with a population less than 1.7 million per the most recent decennial census. The currently effective limits application of the legislation to parcels in Miami-Dade County and Broward County. The legislation applies at both the state and local permitting levels, so the protections are not bypassed. Chair, that's the amendment.